What's going on, guys? Dan Roman here, Marketing Executive and Director of Operations for SunWave Boat Rentals. Today I am showing you how to connect the Bluetooth. A lot of our clients go out, even some of our employees are having issues connecting Bluetooth devices. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. I get about 3 calls per week saying I can't listen to music on a boat, and nobody wants to be out boating without music. So let's get started. We are on our Moomba today. So stereo on. There we go. No Bluetooth device connected. All right, I got my phone right here. Let me just unlock it. All right, so this stereo right here, this is a Sony MEX-M70BT. All right, first way to connect, there's 2 ways. So search NFC, hit connect. You take your phone. All right, so I just pretty much just tapped the phone for the NFC and it's asking me pair. We just hit yes. And we are connected. So I just have some royalty-free music. Let's play some here. There we go. Easy as that. So that's one way to connect it. The other way is through your Bluetooth, not using NFC. Let's take a look at that. We're gonna start from the deck. We're gonna go to, we're on Bluetooth. We're gonna set Bluetooth, hit this button, set pairing, and at the bottom right, as you can see, I don't know if you can see that, but the Bluetooth icon is blinking. It's ready to pair. So what we do is we hit scan, and then go to the bottom here and Sony should come up. We click Sony car audio, it's pairing. We hit pair. On iPhone it's going to be a bit different, but you're still going to be searching for it. Sony car audio. Let's play some royalty-free music. Let's turn it up. There you have it, guys. You got music on the boat.